Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Pomo Boefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubelu, or if it Pomo Akajubo. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm money sing to Aja Ugochi to the temple. And in a bar for Bafa Bidim, look at all body teacher. I'm a money sing to Aja and restoration evangelical mission. Brilliant Basso Jordan and Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị tata anyị ji nnukwute okwu gbara ọgbụgbụ wee bịa. Ihe anyị na-ekpe ịkọwa taa ka anyị kọwala gị gbasara Grail message, Messiah and Igbo spirituality. Dịka m na-akọwala gị gbasara my own research and investigation and experience with the this bringer of light, Abroshin. Yes. Abroshin gbasara ozi ya in Nigeria, they can say go again. How well all the members that believes in his teaching, yes, in mission here on earth, are called cross bearers. Are called cross bearers. Man, a cross one because abnormal that suffering cross that symbolizes Christianity. Yes, in man a cross with the cross, yes, cross of Christianity is a crucifix cross. Cross afufu abo the arms are not equal. Igama the crucifix cross afufu. Or them can be Christians see you remember their symbol. Igana afia na Catholic churches, igana afia na Anglican churches, then and the other Christian denominations. Igana have that cross. All cross afufu. Yes, the arms are about equal. However, this Abroshin no kowalo basalu kwoniasi for the light, and Iona Akwa Basalia he preaches about the cross or the Kumbaki cross of equal arms. Yes, a cross of equal arms. The one of Kekibia, then Makanayama cross may represent and work with solar plexus. Kuverege the equal arms or in creation that. Na onye ọbụla bụ mmadụ n'ụwa nwere ụzọ omume ya ga-esi gbasa mmadụ ibi ya n'ọnwekwara ụzọ omume onye a ga-esi wee gbasa Chukwu maka ihe na cross of equal arms nwere the same 360. So members, his followers, his members, this seal ka a na-akpọ cross bearers. Onye ọbụla dị sealed enwere stages. And one of them seekers. By the time you know, but a seeker, now go the book. Then attending the seekers week or seekers hour, you are a seeker. But when you are sealed, automatically you become a cross bearer. Yes, bearing witness to the truth which he brought. Yes. Now a cross bearer. Now in the higher striving, you can still be recognized, yes, as one of the top followers, otherwise known and called ones. These cross bearers, sometimes you will notice them. They have place of worship in many places, major cities in Nigeria, even Lagos, Enugu, and rest of them. Abuja, name them. You always see them. Based on my research, they are not evil like our foreign them here. In Nigeria, most people is propagating a concept and they believe. But whenever they see them, they thank them, call people. Based on my knowledge and my spiritual capacity, I will tell you, when he hear Denia, yes, then he came for his people to propagate a message for those that wish to follow the path. But the most thing I understand about his teaching, he preaches about holiness, keeping your thought pure, live a good life, have good longing. So those ones you'll be seeing them, the followers, you see them with their silver cross. Yes. So why I'm teaching all those things is for you to be knowledgeable and for you to appreciate Igbo spirituality and for you to give other religion and sects their respect. In as much as you are not their member, you don't believe them, Me personally, based on my knowledge and maturity, I'm against people that will come to social media, even if you are on your ordinary, and began to castigate other world religion, maybe Christianity or whatever. No, 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 no. I really don't do that. However, I will express my displeasure in some certain things I don't believe. However, I will respect, yeah, knowing fully well that where your belief stop, your right stop is where my own begins. So I will tell you what and what I don't like, me I don't believe, and why I feel that Igbo spirituality gives you the better because you are not Igbo. I will tell you my point why I appreciate Igbo spirituality well, why I feel that Igbo spirituality is the best for Igbo. However, I don't segregate or call names. But what I want to say today is to share wider knowledge for you to understand there will so many things, other things you can as a confirmed spiritualist. Now, whenever you see them, otherwise some people commonly call them Mondoka flower and so on and so forth. You see them wearing their silver cross. That is the average member. Now, as sometimes you will see someone wearing the gold one, and they call them gold cross bearers and the called ones among them, because once you accept to be saved according to his message, you become a cross bearer. Yes, yes. But once you are elevated to higher level based on your calling, you become a called one. And once you become a called one, their cross changes from silver to gold. Then that is Igbo. So why am I saying it? I'm saying it that in this gross material world, Chukwuokike sent and still sending. Yes, and many was sent in the past. Messiahs. Yes, and called ones. Like I told you before that messiahs are greater. Then follows by called ones to support them. Every race no war with the Messiah. That Messiah is to help them to mature. How we get to point A, whereby at point B. So if you ask me based on the assessment, I'm going to now yesterday nkuzi Basalo Buddhism. Where now Buddha is a Messiah to the Indians. Many followers. Now northern and eastern Asia, over 500 million followers. The Buddha was lived in this world in the BCs over 2,500 years ago. In that space, can you back Basado Grail? Yes. Now a bringer of the light that brought the message to the Germanic people from the Obasakwa or from the man. Members here in Nigeria. Then, so many things you can so get my point here, mechanics make a point. My point is Kemalo Nemwell or Toton Messiah, Nanya Brudi teacher. Kemal will bring us of light. Nobody teacher, Abrudi teacher, Makanso Brudi teacher. No where do I guess will bring us of the light in Igbo spirituality. Then, at the appropriate time, we will recognize some of them. And many are still here with us. And many will still come after us. So what am I saying? Whatever you don't understand, don't castigate the person. Pay attention. Take what you want, what you understand. Dig deep to understand the person. Don't just outrightly condemning, castigating people or calling them evil. Do your investigation, take whatever you understand based on your spiritual maturity, then and leave the rest. Like me, I'm exposed. I have read so many spiritual books. And I know that all the messiahs came here for a purpose and for the well-being of people, based on the maturity of people of that particular time. Now we are in 21st century. Some of those things, some of these bringers of messages made mention of was very vital during their reign, during that yesteryears when they were here on earth. But I can tell you, as a knowledgeable person, that there is more discoveries that is going on in modern era. In modern era, we are discovering so many deep thoughts, so many deep teachings, so many deep knowledge about the mystery of life and Chukwuoke. Like I told you before, I'm writing a book now. Actually, we have two. Yes, one is almost done. One is in the printing stage now. It's already with the press, the printing press. So that is money that is holding us for that one to come out. Then the second one is almost concluded. We are still at the stage of writing them. So my intention is to make some of these books available for this generation and for the upcoming generation, for you to be knowledgeable and understand how things work in creation. Let me stop here. Onwezi ajụjụ ọbụla ị nwere ịjụ m gbasara any bringer of light, any messiah m kwuru gbasara ya, jụọ m na WhatsApp number. I will help you to answer the message. Yes, and you can gather some knowledge by making yourself available to strive for noble things and long for what is right, and then so that you'll be able to strive for noble things and to be able to become knowledgeable. You become knowledgeable by not limiting yourself. You make yourself available to start reading so many spiritual books and listening to messengers that will always come with good messages for you to learn. Let that leave all your ordinary, to my fellow ordinary people. Stop castigating other religion. Stop castigating other sects. Just make a point, because you know what it takes for you to come back to your roots. If you have any question in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. May Chukwuoke Premier bless you all. May you be protected, may you be favored, may you be blessed. May Chukwuoke Africa protect you all now and forevermore. Like I say,